What's up, Wayne Barron here with CFF Coding Source, and today we are inside of Delphi 12 Community Edition. And what we're going to be doing here is, as you can tell, we have ourselves a form. Now if we run our form, try it again. If we run our form, it's a very long form. It goes off on the screen. And so as you can tell, we messed up. We didn't put a ScrollBox in it. So what happens if you do run into this situation? What I did years ago, I put a ScrollBox in here. So we come over here, we put a ScrollBox in. We just copy and paste each individual component over to the ScrollBox. Since it's sitting on a T panel, we can actually hit the X button and come over here and paste it in. Okay, so now we can run our ScrollBox. Okay, however, there is another way to do this. One other way that we can do this is that we come over here and that we choose our ScrollBox. We're going to right click on our form and go down to view as text, and we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and right here is our ScrollBox. This is our opening and this is our end. So we're not going to touch our end. We're going to leave our end sitting right there. We're going to copy out the whole tag, and then we're going to bring it up here and paste it. We're going to come right here. We're going to view as form, and now it's sitting inside the ScrollBox. That's the way I like doing it. Since we have our ScrollBox in yonder, we don't need it to be that tall. And now we've got it like so. So now you can just do first and do all of your names, the addresses and everything all the way down to here. Alright, I am Wayne Barron for CFF Coding Source inside of Delphi. Y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.